Hi, this is Jeff Peterson with Commercial Partners Exchange Company. A lot of people ask me the question, can I sign a purchase agreement for my replacement property even before I have closed on my relinquished property? And the answer is yes. You can go out and lock up a sure thing, put the handcuffs on that seller, and know that you've got something to exchange into. In fact, if the seller is not patient and won't wait for you to dispose of your relinquished property, perhaps because they have other offers, you can do a reverse exchange and have the exchange company form an LLC that becomes the surrogate substitute purchaser, like a straw man, and purchases the replacement property in your stead and holds it for your benefit for up to 180 days. So the answer is yes. Not only can you sign a purchase agreement, but when acting in a reverse exchange through the intermediary, you could actually purchase the replacement property first.